Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. It's time for another trade show. Let's get ready for the GLTPA Expo in Green Bay, Wisconsin. So the GLTPA Expo starts on Thursday, September 5th and runs until Saturday, September 7th. We've got the trailer getting loaded up behind me here, and I will show you guys what we are all bringing to that show. Some of this stuff's already sold, but some of it is available. Regardless, we're going to be running all this equipment, and we'll be able to show you guys what this stuff can do with whatever wood that they provide us. Now at these shows, we don't really get to pick what they're gonna bring us for logs unless we get it from an outside supplier. So in a case like this, we get the logs from the showgrounds, and whatever they bring us is what we're gonna split. So usually in this area, it's gonna be oak, maple, maybe some ash, but there's really not a whole lot of ash left to be turning into firewood. We'll start at the front of the trailer here. We have got a red FC16 16-foot firewood conveyor. That one is available at the time of this video. We have got an SS3030 HD skid steer splitter. This is 30 tons, 30-inch stroke, and this one has the optional Magnum package on it. The Magnum package gives us this taller push block here. You'll see 6 bolts on each side, and then we have the big bore cylinder. 30-inch stroke length between here and here. Comes standard with a 4-way wedge that has height adjustment on it. You can see there's different scallops here where we can unbolt this and we can slide this wedge up and down. But with this Magnum package, you get this taller push block, which actually gets us lower to the ground with the skid steer splitter. So you can grab logs off the ground easier, where if you don't have the Magnum package, your push block probably ends right about here. Yellow is the standard color on the skid steer splitters, but we can do any color you want for an additional charge. Next, we've got a 17 VSC, dark sapphire blue. This is one of our standard colors on the horizontal and vertical splitters. You can see we've got the log lift. Got a nice view of the controls here. This one is actually sold, but we will be able to show it in case you want to get yours on order. Currently, lead time on those is about 8 to 10 weeks. Something to keep in mind if you do decide to purchase one of these and transport it yourself, you can see that we're not taking up a 16-foot long footprint on the trailer because the conveyor can kind of go over the gooseneck in this case. And these do all come standard with the grizzly bars and the chip chute. And you can see it's got its own hydraulic system on it, Honda engine over there, and the valve controls over here. Here's the back side of that 17 VSC, again that blue. The other side looks a little bit darker, but this side really is bright with the sun shining directly at it. Behind me, we've got 2 different models of our RS machines in both different configurations. So the RS can be ordered with a log lift or an auto cycle valve, and we've got a 17 RS and a 22 RS. So back here, we've got the 22 RS with the log lift, and right here, we've got the 17 RS with the auto cycle valve. So we'll have both of these on display. You can check both of them out. Again, if you get auto cycle, you don't get the log lift, and if you get the log lift, you don't get auto cycle. Here's a look at that 17 RS with the auto cycle. This is a really good machine for just doing resplits. Typically, people are doing these off of a processor. They've got big splits coming off of there, and they want to resplit them quick. So you can stack up your big pieces of firewood here, and then just keep running them. Both of the RS machines have the mechanical bolt-on 4-way wedge included, and you've got multiple height positions to put that in. One of the last machines going on this trailer is a 28 Pro. Fresh off the assembly line. Last splitter for this load just got loaded up. This is a 28 Pro with the auto cycle valve and electric start, and this one is also available at the show. The 28 Pro is one of our most popular machines because it has 28 tons of splitting force. It's got hydraulic wedge height adjustment on it as standard equipment, and then you can also outfit it with auto cycle valve and electric start. So this is the fully loaded 28 Pro in our standard red color. The last piece for this trailer load is our mid-duty firewood grapple bucket. You can see right now the sides are off of it, so we can put a lot of logs in here if we wanted to. We'll bring those sides with. You can use it as a firewood bucket or as a log grapple, and we've got the arched fronts on it, so we can put in a log the long way and use it for bucking. Everybody's been working really hard to make sure that we're hitting deadlines, getting equipment out the door, getting ready for these shows. I got the guys helping me get this trailer loaded and strapped down so I don't have to do it all myself. And everybody's paying attention to detail in the meantime. The build quality of our machines are top notch. It makes my job easier showing them, running them, and talking to you guys about the stuff. We do have another conveyor that's going to be at the show. It is spoken for, but you'll be able to see the 24-foot version and the 16-foot version there to do some comparisons. You want to see how they operate. Well, we're making one last-minute change. The 5-foot grapple bucket is coming off, and we're going to be bringing a 6-foot grapple bucket instead. But other than that, the trailer is loaded and ready for the GLTPA Expo in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Again, that's September 5th through the 7th. This video will be coming out the day before that show starts, and that show runs Thursday afternoon, and then all day Friday, and then Saturday until around lunchtime. It's kind of an odd schedule, but that's the way it's been for years now. So just bear in mind that if you do want to get to that show on Saturday, get there early, because the show doesn't last that long on Saturday. After this show, we still have the North Star Expo in Minnesota, and then we have the Paul Bunyan Show in Ohio. If you'd like more information on any of our products, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. There you can find all of our prices, configuration options, lead times, videos, photos, and more. You can also give us a call or send us an email. I'll make sure to put these links in the description. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.